I welcome the interagency declaration that will emerge from this summit, and I strongly support the collaboration with our international partners. Leadership training, capacity building, mentorship. These are not small steps. They are building blocks of institutions our daughters and our granddaughters will inherit. Fairer, stronger, more inclusive. I urge every participant here today to use this summit fully, to listen, to share, to innovate, and above all, to commit. Commit to workplaces where women are not exceptions, but equals. As I close, I leave you with this thought. When a woman steps forward to protect her community, she does more than uphold the law. She reshapes the very meaning of justice. She transforms safety from a service delivered to the people into a trust shared with the people. May this summit strengthen that trust, and may it be remembered as a turning point in our national journey to empower women for safer communities, stronger institutions, and a brighter future. I extend my warmest wishes for a successful and beneficial summit. Thank you all.